Hello guys and welcome back to Tactics Tutorial. In today's video, I would like to show to you guys how to fix voice message in WhatsApp. Now, if ever you have been encountering issues with your WhatsApp where the voice message that you are recording is not working properly, I would suggest two different ways to address this issue. The first way is to reinstall WhatsApp. Maybe with your installation, there was an issue encountered and that function is not updating or not working properly. You could also update it if there is an existing update available for the app. Another way that you could do is that you could open its settings at info and make sure that the permissions are properly set up, such as the mic, as you can see. Make sure that all of the necessary permissions and conditions are being met, and you could also try clearing the data and clearing the cache if that would help. So that's basically it guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.